The Motoped Survival Black Ops bike is an exhilarating fusion of off-road capability and survival readiness. This bike is a rugged, utilitarian machine built to traverse challenging terrains while carrying essential survival gear. What sets the Survival Black Ops bike apart is its astonishing adaptability. The bike features a unique frame that combines the best of mountain biking and motocross to deliver an unmatched off-road performance. Additionally, it's equipped with numerous attachment points for survival gear, including a crossbow, extra fuel, and a survival kit, making it a dependable partner for extended outdoor excursions. The Black Ops bike can achieve speeds that leave conventional mountain bikes in the dust. Its advanced suspension system provides a smooth ride over rough terrains, while the heavy-duty tires ensure superior grip in all conditions. The Motoped Survival Black Ops bike stands as a remarkable innovation in the world of off-road biking and survival gear. Its blend of speed, durability, and adaptability make it an ideal choice for adventurers, survivalists, and thrill-seekers alike. Introducing the Barnett TS390 crossbow, a groundbreaking leap forward in the world of archery and hunting equipment. This is no ordinary crossbow, it's a high-performance machine engineered to deliver unmatched accuracy and power, catering to both novice archers and seasoned hunters and survivors. What distinguishes the Barnett crossbow is its impeccable design, focusing on performance and safety. The crossbow boasts a draw weight of 187 pounds and is capable of sending arrows flying at a staggering 390 feet per second. Yet its innovative trigger tech system ensures zero creep release, providing a level of control and safety that's unparalleled in the crossbow market. Equipped with a 4x32mm multi-reticule scope and an adjustable buttstock, it allows for superior aim and comfort, making it versatile for various types of shooting scenarios. The crossbow also comes with a unique step-through riser, or STR design, which shifts the bow's center of gravity closer to the shooter, providing unmatched balance and making it easier to carry and maneuver. The Barnett TS390 crossbow redefines what's possible in archery equipment, offering a seamless blend of power, precision, and safety with its advanced features and high-performance capabilities. The TS390 stands as a testament to innovation and quality in the world of crossbows. Introducing the Cyber House from Tesla, a cutting-edge innovation in modern living. This home is a high-tech sanctuary designed for both comfort and unparalleled safety. Built with high-strength, cold-rolled steel, the Cyber House offers a resilient frame that can withstand various environmental conditions. This material is complemented by an advanced fire suppression system, integrated smoke and carbon monoxide detectors, ensuring comprehensive protection against common household risks. Beyond its structural integrity, the Cyber House integrates a state-of-the-art security system featuring facial recognition and biometric scans. These advanced measures eliminate the need for physical keys, providing secure and convenient access to your home. What makes the Cyber House stand out is its commitment to environmental safety. The residence is equipped with a self-sufficient solar power system designed to generate its own energy. This eco-friendly feature not only reduces your carbon footprint, but also lowers your utility bills, aligning modern living with sustainability goals. The Cyber House is a glimpse into the future where technology and safety converge, offering unparalleled peace of mind. If you're enjoying this video, be sure to give us a like and comment down below which is your favorite survival gadget. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any awesome upcoming content like this. Let us know what kind of videos you would like to see in the future. Now, back to the video. Welcome to the Can-Am Armored ATV, a game-changing innovation in the realm of all-terrain vehicles. What sets the Can-Am Armored ATV apart is its unique safety features. Designed with reinforced armor plating, it offers unparalleled resilience against various forms of impact and ballistic threats. Equipped with puncture-resistant tires and a fortified roll cage, this ATV provides an extra layer of safety, making it ideal for both adventurous outdoor activities and professional use in high-risk environments. It offers a high-performance experience. With a powerful engine, enhanced suspension system, and advanced steering capabilities, it provides a smooth and responsive ride on any terrain. The vehicle is also designed for user comfort, featuring ergonomic seating and an intuitive control panel that makes navigation a breeze. Whether you're an outdoor enthusiast looking for a resilient travel companion or a professional requiring a dependable vehicle for high-risk scenarios, the Can-Am Armored ATV stands as a testament to what modern engineering can achieve. The Little Trucker Multi-Tool, a compact yet versatile toolset designed to make your life easier in both everyday and emergency situations. One of the standout features of the Little Trucker Multi-Tool is its adaptability. It includes everything from a wrench and screwdriver to a glass breaker and seatbelt cutter. These features make it an indispensable tool for roadside emergencies, not to mention its utility for simple home repairs. But the Little Trucker goes beyond mere functionality. Its ergonomic design and durable construction make it reliable and easy to use. Made from high-grade stainless steel, it's built to last and withstand the rigors of everyday use. Its compact size allows you to easily store it in your car, backpack, or toolbox, making it accessible whenever you need it. Whether you're an adventurer, a DIY enthusiast, or someone who likes to be prepared for anything, this multi-tool is an essential addition to your toolkit. The Little Trucker invites you to a world where problem-solving is made easier, ensuring you're always equipped to handle life's unexpected challenges. The KMK ProMes Safe House, a revolutionary take on home design that offers not just luxury, but also unparalleled security features. This isn't just a house, it's a fortress designed to keep you safe from various external threats, while offering state-of-the-art amenities. One of the standout features of the Safe House is its dynamic adaptability to security risks. With walls that can be transformed into impenetrable barriers and windows that can be sealed off at the touch of a button, the Safe House offers a level of security rarely seen in residential designs. Additionally, the property comes equipped with advanced surveillance systems, providing an extra layer of protection for its residents. It offers a luxurious living experience. Its spacious, open-concept design comes with premium fittings, intelligent home systems, and sustainable technologies. This allows you to enjoy the finer things in life without compromising on safety. The KMK ProMes Safe House represents a future where luxury and security go hand in hand. Introducing the PPSS Anti-Riot Stab Outfit, a groundbreaking advancement in personal protective gear for law enforcement and security professionals. This highly specialized outfit was engineered to provide unparalleled protection against a variety of threats, including blunt trauma and edged weapon attacks. One of the standout features of the PPS Anti-Riot Stab Outfit is its cutting-edge material technology. Crafted from high-performance, lightweight synthetic fibers, the outfit offers exceptional resistance to stabbing, slashing, and blunt force. This state-of-the-art fabric doesn't just defend against attacks, it also provides a superior level of comfort, allowing for increased mobility during high-stress situations. Adjustable straps, breathable material, and strategically placed padding ensure that the wearer can move freely and stay focused on the task at hand, rather than the discomfort often associated with protective gear. Whether you're involved in crowd control, riot policing, or other high-risk activities, this outfit serves as an indispensable tool for ensuring your safety while allowing you to perform at your best. Meet the Tornado Intercept Vehicle, or TIV, a marvel of engineering that's designed to go where few dare to tread, the heart of a tornado. This specialized vehicle was created to withstand the extreme forces generated by one of nature's most ferocious phenomena. One of the most impressive features of the Tornado Intercept vehicle is its armor, a high-strength, reinforced outer shell designed to protect against flying debris, which is one of the most significant dangers posed by tornadoes. Built with hydraulic systems that lower the vehicle to the ground and deploy stabilizing spikes, the TIV is engineered to stay anchored even in the most turbulent conditions. However, the Tornado Intercept vehicle isn't just about brute strength. It's a rolling laboratory equipped with an array of sensors, cameras, and weather tracking systems. These tools allow researchers to collect real-time data on temperature, humidity, and wind speed, providing unprecedented insights into the formation and behavior of tornadoes. The gathered information aims to improve early warning systems, helping to save lives and minimize damage in tornado-prone areas. Let's take a look at the Chainsaw Bayonet Weapon, an audacious merging of cutting-edge technology with raw firepower. This multifunctional tool is designed for close combat and utility, offering soldiers and tactical teams an additional layer of versatility in the field. The Chainsaw Bayonet's most striking feature is undoubtedly its powerful mini chainsaw, situated at the end of the rifle. Engineered with advanced materials to be both lightweight and durable, the chainsaw is capable of cutting through wood, metal, and other obstacles. This could prove invaluable in situations that require quick clearing of barriers or forced entry into fortified positions. But don't let its brutal appearance deceive you. The chainsaw bayonet weapon is also about precision and control. The device is meticulously balanced to ensure that it doesn't interfere with the rifle's aiming or firing capabilities. Additionally, the chainsaw is designed to minimize vibration, thus reducing fatigue and increasing the overall effectiveness of the wielder during prolonged use.